There's this old Stark's yard again. Yes, old 65 Mustangs back there. I mean, we got some old cars in here. There's trees growing up through them. We've got vans. There's some real stuff to record here. We come up here. I mean, there's some old stuff down here. More old trucks. These cars here ain't very old, but there's some old ones here. Some old Fords. Like old trucks here and stuff. These old chop vans right here. Nice. We caught in these bushes back here. I mean, we got a lot of them too. There's no Monza right there. Monza. Okay, there's an old Gremlin down there. Old Pacer. Something in front of us. Old Maverick over there. There's an old orange farm truck back by that Mustang. Here's some old car, old Chevy sitting right there. That was about a 58 or something. I don't know. One of those old bread trucks. I'll start this video again.